Consider this. Of all the places on the face of the earth, why would the international leader in gaming and corporate chairs center their global headquarters in a place best known for fishing, skiing, rock and roll, and fast cars?
Because of exactly that. This is where it's at.
Our chairs are more than a place to sit. In a DX Racer chair, you're sitting in the power seat. You're sitting in art.
And here, Michigan is the only place that we can find the talent necessary to make it all happen. Designers, stylists, engineers, the bold dreamers and passionate creatives that run generations deep. Manufacturing here is an art, not a process. These artisans help us bring our ideas and products into existence. Builders, assemblers, please. They breathe life into every weld, beauty into every stitch. They give it a soul, an intoxicating beauty that you can feel and see. And that's why we're here, to tap that rich resource, just like the big three automakers and top manufacturers who are our neighbors. From top colleges to design and engineering schools, we engage the best minds to bring our products to customers around the world. From the game room to the boardroom, so many gamers have become successful in business using the same strategic thinking that you learned the first day you plugged in your first console. Gaming isn't a game, it's a tool. It's problem solving, it's creativity in overdrive. DX Racer, enjoyed at every age, at every stage of our professions, of our games, of our lives. We know how the game is played. We play it every day, in style, with attitude and intensity. That's why we're here. That's our mission. DX Racer, how you play the game.